Pope Francis has died at the age of 88. The Vatican announced on Monday, April 21, 2025, he had been facing health problems for several years, but was still seen greeting people in St. Peter's Square on Easter Sunday. Pope Francis became the head of the Catholic Church in 2013 after Pope Benedict XVI stepped down. He was the first pope from South America and was known as the People's Pope because he cared deeply about the poor and people facing hard times. Cardinal Kelvin Farrell shared the news of his death in a message from the Vatican. He said the Pope's life was full of service and love for others, most especially the needy. The message said Pope Francis died peacefully around 7:35 a.m. In the past few months, Pope Francis had been in and out of the hospital. He stayed for 38 days earlier this year to be treated for breathing problems and other health issues. Even though he had health challenges, Pope Francis continued to work. He gave messages and spoke about big issues like climate change, poverty, and peace. He also showed support for refugees and made headlines with his kind words towards the LGBTQ community. Now that the Pope has passed away, the process to choose a new Pope, called a conclave, will begin within the next 15 to 20 days. Millions of Catholics around the world are mourning the loss of Pope Francis, a man who many say led with kindness, faith, and courage. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.